In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the conversation history in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past chats and how to remove a specific conversation if you no longer need it. First, open your Perplexity account. Head to the Perplexity AI website in your browser and sign in so your conversations are associated with your profile. Being signed in ensures your history is consistently available across sessions and devices. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface where you can start a new query, but our focus today is the history that Perplexity automatically keeps for you. Take a look at the left side of the screen. That's where your chat history lives. You'll see a list of your recent conversations, each labeled with a short title or the first line of the chat to help you recognize it quickly. If you've used Perplexity for a while, scroll to browse older entries. When you select any item in this list, Perplexity opens the full conversation so you can review everything you asked and the responses you received. This is especially useful when you want to revisit sources, copy an answer, or pick up where you left off on a project. If you're on a smaller screen or your window is narrow, the left panel may collapse to give you more workspace. In that case, look for the sidebar icon near the top left area to reveal the history panel again. Once it's visible, the process is exactly the same. Your conversations will appear in a vertical list ready to open with a single click. Now, if you want to delete the history of a specific conversation, find it in the left panel and look for the three dots next to that conversation's title. Click those three dots to open a small menu and then click Delete. Perplexity will ask you to confirm so you don't remove something by accident. Confirm the deletion and that conversation will disappear from your history. Keep in mind that this action is intended for permanent cleanup, so double-check you're deleting the right one before you confirm. That's really all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, look to the left sidebar to see your chat history, click any conversation to revisit it, and use the three-dot menu to delete a specific chat when you need to tidy things up. With these steps, you can stay organized, keep track of your research, and remove anything you don't want to keep.